Greetings. Are you a modern entrepreneur who feels a constant low grade hum of anxiety when you think about your marketing technology stack? You're not alone. The digital landscape promises efficiency through an ever expanding universe of tech tools and automation options, from CRMs, social schedulers, to email platforms and AI writing assistants and complex workflow builders. Yet, for many, this abundance leads not to efficiency, but to a crippling state of confusion and procrastination. The core pain point here is the paradox of choice. The very tools designed to simplify our work, to give us back time and peace, end up complicating it. We're caught in a cycle of endless research, setup headaches, and constant maintenance, which ultimately detracts from the human centric parts of running a business. The reality of automation overwhelm. A deeper look. The pressure is intense. We feel we must automate everything to keep up, leading to a pervasive sense of inadequacy. This pressure often manifests in three ways. First, the quest for the perfect tool. We spend countless hours comparing features, reading reviews, and watching tutorials for tools that are 90% the same. This research time is a direct subtraction from revenue generating or creative work. Second, the complexity trap. We design intricate, Rube Goldberg esque workflows, chains of if then conditions across multiple platforms. These complex systems become fragile, requiring constant tweaking and debugging, ultimately creating more work than they save. And third, the human disconnect. The more we focus on the machinery of automation, the more we pull away from the essential high value work, developing strategy, connecting genuinely with customers, and innovating. The result? A sophisticated, automated business structure that feels cold, chaotic, and ultimately overwhelming. The mindful solution? Automate for peace, not for complexity. The mindful solution is not to reject technology, but to become highly intentional about its application. It's a pivot from the frantic goal of automating everything to the deliberate choice to automate only what aligns with your values and delivers peace. This approach means choosing tools and processes that genuinely free up your most valuable resource, your time and mental energy, for higher value work. Our goal is to build a more peaceful, sustainable business, not a more complex, demanding one. And you can do so with these mindful, practical steps. Mindful, practical step one: pinpoint your energy drain. Use the one thing rule. Stop trying to automate your entire business in one weekend. Start with a surgical approach. One, identify your biggest pain point. For 1 week, keep a running list of every repetitive task that causes a sigh, a moment of dread, or a significant energy drain. Is it scheduling social media content? Responding to the same initial lead questions? Sending out follow up invoices? Determine if that or any of those are the biggest pain point and draining your energy the most. And then you have two. Select one repetitive task. Choose the single most time consuming or mentally taxing task. This is your target. Three, find the simplest tool. Resist the urge to buy the most expensive, feature rich software, the one that has all the bells and whistles and does everything, but you aren't going to use all of it. Okay? Just look for a simple, single purpose tool that can automate just that one thing. Then, of course, four, learn it before moving on. Fully integrate this one automation. Ensure it's stable, functional, and truly saving you time. Only once this single messed up. Only once this single automation feels like a foundational part of your piece can you consider the next step, which leads us to mindful practical step two, quarterly automation audits, serving peace and people. Automation is not a set it and forget it strategy. It does require periodic review. Every quarter, dedicate time for an automation audit. Ask yourself these critical, mindful questions. A, is this automation still saving me time? Have I spent more time maintaining the workflow than I would have doing the task manually? If the answer is yes, simplify or decommission it. B, is it serving my audience well or making interactions feel robotic? Are my automated responses generic? Do my scheduled posts lack authenticity or timing? An automation that creates customer friction is a failed automation. And C, is it serving my peace? Does this tool or workflow add to my mental load? Do I worry about it breaking? If it's a source of stress, if it has violated the core value of mindful automation? If so, it's got to go. So be willing to decommission. The mindful Internetpreneur is willing to turn off automations that are no longer serving their peace or their customers. Sometimes a simpler manual touch is the most efficient choice because it eliminates the hidden cost of complexity and maintenance, which leads to embracing intentional efficiency. Technology as your servant. Now, embracing intentional efficiency means a fundamental shift in perspective. You control the technology does not control you. Automation's true purpose is to create space for more creativity, time to brainstorm new ideas, products, or marketing campaigns, and more strategy, time to analyze data, plan long term growth, and adjust your business model, as well as more human connection, time for personalized emails, deeper customer service interactions, and genuine community building. By automating mindfully, you not only protect your peace and sanity, but also ensure that your business retains its heart and soul. You are building a sustainable, human first enterprise supported by, but not defined by, technology. So, in closing, what single mindful automation will you implement this week to reclaim your time and peace? Identify it, set it up simply, and commit to learning it. Leave your first automated task in the comments. And if you're ready to simplify your tech stack, reduce overwhelm, and build a truly peaceful business, kiss that like button. Share your net. Dang it, messed that all up. Kiss that like button. Share with your network and subscribe for more intentional strategies from the Mindful Internetpreneur. Thank you for watching and committing your time. Stay mindful.